Good evening, fifth graders. Tonight we're going to be working a little bit with the power of what a parenthesis does in math. Okay, we've worked a little bit with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally in order of operations. So right here we're working with the parentheses part of please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So when we're putting parentheses into problems, we have three problems right here. And I'm just going to show you the difference that a parentheses make in a problem. So if I want to get 11 for an answer for this first one, if I want to get 3 for an answer for the second one, and 9 for an answer for the third one, I have to insert the parentheses so I can get these answers. Because whatever I have in parentheses is what I'm going to be able, is what I have to do first. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to put parentheses around 3 times 4, and I'm also going to put parentheses around 2 divided by 2. If I do that in this situation here, kids, I'm going to go 3 times 4 and get 12. Then I'm going to be subtracting 2 divided by 2, which is 1. That's how I get 11. In this next problem here, how can I get 3? I want you to kind of brainstorm a little bit on your own. What do I have to put in parentheses here in order to get 3? Well, if I put 4 minus 2 in parentheses, this will get me 3. Let's see why. I'm going to have 3 times 4 minus 2, which is 2, divided by 2. Now, just like order of operations, I have to multiply first, which is 6 divided by 2. That gives me 3 for an answer. This last problem here, I'm using the same exact numbers. When I put parentheses in, how can I get the answer 9? This is what is called a double parentheses. I'm going to put 2 divided by 2 in parentheses, and then I'm going to put parentheses around this whole entire operation. Let's look at how we do this now. So I'm going to have 3 times, and here I'm going to go 2 divided by 2, which is 1. I'm going to have 4 minus 1. I'm going to keep on going. 3 times 3, because 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. So you could put double parentheses, so you just have to work one parenthesis and then keep on going until the parentheses are gone. Let's do another set of numbers here. 7 minus 2 plus 1, 7 minus 2 plus 1. I want 18 as an answer here, and I want 16 as an answer here. What do I have to do in order to get 18 for an answer, 12 for an answer? Well, if I put the parentheses, I apologize, not 18 and 2. I want to get 4 and 6. I was ahead of myself. 4 and 6. So what would I have to do? I put parentheses around 2 plus 1, I'm going to get 3. 7 minus 3 will give me 4. If I put parentheses around 7 minus 2, that would give me 5 plus 1, give me 6. I was ahead of myself. In this situation right here, or in this problem, I want 18 and I want 16 for an answer. Take a look. What do I have to put parentheses? So I do that operation first. I'm going to go 7 plus 2, which will give me 9. 2 times 9 will give me 18. Here I'm going to go 2 times 7, which is going to give me 14, plus 2 will give me 16. So tomorrow when you come into class and we're working with these parentheses of problems, a lot of times they're going to give you the answer, the solution at the end, and they're going to give you a long problem. You have to add the parentheses into the equation in order to get that solution. Just keep in mind, whatever's in the parentheses is what you're going to do first. Once again, I apologize for writing the wrong solutions on that second set of problems, but hopefully this makes sense, and I look forward to working with you in class tomorrow.